Hello world, this is a Christmas gift my wife made for me, literally. She painted the body, the wheels, the base, and she found the tree from a model store, hobby shop. And she made a little tree on top of a Countach into an ornament. I made some other ornaments along the way, but this is about my new items I have gotten. This is a Countach, obviously. Like friction, sorta has this little mechanism. You push that when it's jazzed up and it's supposed to go bananas. But this one I don't think works like that anymore. It's really cool. I love it. It's a Countach made by Ideal Japan, I believe. And it is cool. It's gone a long time. Never seen that before. Glad I got it. I also got another Diablo Roadster by Auto Art in red. I had one of these a while ago, sold it, had seller's remorse, so I had to buy another one. This is pretty sweet. It's a Burgundy Countach by Rebelle, 1/24th, in box. Really good shape. Super stoked to get that. I got two more plastic kits of Countach, of course. EMT. Pretty good shape internally. I'll show you some of the photos on the box. Happy to have that. This one I was really happy to get also, just for the cover art. It's by MPC, as you can see. I have the same model, essentially. But it's a Cannonball Run version. I actually have two of them. One's built and one's in box. And another edition is this resin KK model 400 GT. Super pretty. It's resin, it's well scaled. It does roll, and it has like posable steering front end. You probably saw this. It's the RLC outer boxes for the Countach. I paid a lot of money for this one because I wanted to get it when it first came out, and I'm happy I got it. I'll probably buy another one or two just to offset the cost of this one. I know that sounds weird, but that's how I think. And I got another Lamborghini, but first resin model of 1/64 scale. Very cool. Haven't opened it yet. It's by Time Model. It's the Ventador Liberty Walk with the monster livery. There you go. A small collection added to my larger collection. I like looking at collections and other people's collections, so if you have one, please make videos and post them to YouTube so myself and other collectors can possibly see what is out there and enjoy other people's hobby. It's always thrilling to see a new model and to chase it. Whether it be a junky played with example or one that you hope would come out with, or not you come out with, but you know what I mean. It's just fun to come into my model room and look around. Got some fun stuff, I think. It's always fun for me too to make these videos because I'm able to look at them when I'm out hunting. Not that I don't already know what I have, but sometimes a variation pops up and I want to know if I already have it. So anyhow, hope you guys enjoy these videos, guys and gals, young and old, and Happy New Year 2020. Take care.